What's good? Welcome back to the channel. I appreciate you guys tuning back in. In today's video, you will learn about this Gray Before Shave beard wash. And if you stick to the end, I will let you know if this is meant for you or not. Just a heads up for you guys, check me out on Instagram and TikTok. I'm gonna be releasing what products I'm gonna be reviewing from this point forward on Instagram, and then grooming tips and hacks on TikTok. So you're gonna get far more content on both those platforms than just here on YouTube. So check me out on both of those. And please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and comment any questions or concerns you might have. With that being said, let's jump into the packaging on this Gray Before Shave beard wash. So as you can see, they got quite a bit going on here. In my mind, it's a little bit too much. I'm a grown-ass man and I don't really need all that going on. It's cool, don't get me wrong, like I'm not mad at it, but just personally, it's a little much for me. But nonetheless, I'm cool with it, not a big deal. With that said, let's jump into the cost and size of this Gray Before Shave beard wash. So two places you can pick this up: Amazon, graybeforeshave.com. Links will be down in the description. You have a couple options when it comes to this product. You either pick up just the one bottle, and you're looking for like 10 to 12 bucks probably for just one bottle, or on Amazon, they do have a combo pack where you get the beard wash and beard conditioner for about 24 bucks. So that link will be down there as well. Definitely check it out if you want to pick this guy up. So let's jump into the key ingredients. I'm gonna list those guys right over here. Pause the video if you need to kind of get a further look, but they are very important, so check those guys out. Let's jump from key ingredients into scent. And scent in this beard wash is amazing. It actually smells like an old school barber shop. So if you guys are familiar, it's exactly what it smells like. Pretty damn amazing scent. I definitely have to give that a huge thumbs up on the scent. I enjoy it. It's somewhat strong. You will get just kind of light hints of it after the shower, but nothing that's going to clash with colognes or body sprays, so don't got to worry about that. Now let's get into the lather of this Gray Before Shave beard wash. So I was actually pretty surprised with the lather as well. I used about a nickel-sized amount, lathered up really well, got my whole beard covered, and we were good to go. So definitely solid on the lather. Let's go from lather into moisture. Moisture was actually even more surprising because a lot of beard washes out there will strip your beard completely of all the moisture, which then kind of forces you to use their conditioner or beard oil or beard butter or whatever other product they're kind of, pushing on you. So this definitely did not do that. This by itself provided plenty of moisture, so it wasn't necessary to use conditioner or oil or any of those other things after the shower. So I love that about it. I also actually got the 2-pack, the wash and the conditioner, yet this definitely still provided all the moisture I needed. $1 million question: who is this Gray Before Shave beard wash for? It's for any of my bearded brothers out there that are looking for a budget-friendly, amazing smelling, moisturizing beard wash. So if I just described you it all, you might want to check this guy out. That is it for today, fellas. I appreciate you guys tuning back in. Please do not forget, if you look good and feel good, you do good. My name's Adrian. Until next time, I'm out.